Today's video is all about my delicious raw vegan collard wrap. It's perfect for lunch and dinner. Let's get started with today's ingredient. Our first ingredient is raw vegan pad thai sauce. Kelp noodles, which I soaked overnight in pad thai sauce, super flavorful, super yummy, and coconut aminos, which are a great alternative to soy sauce. I also have carrots, cucumber, bell pepper, avocado, and sprouts. Sprouts are so fun. Be sure to check out my previous 2 YouTube videos for the recipe on pad thai sauce and information on how to prepare kelp noodles. Let's get started on preparing our collard leaf. Our goal is to make our leaf more flexible, so I'm just going to trim the stem just a tad bit. Raw food really opens up your creativity. I love that we don't need a tortilla and that we can just actually make a wrap out of collard leaves. How awesome is that? Also, with your wrap, organic ingredients are always optimal because they're so full of flavor. You can definitely tell the difference in organic fruits and veggies and inorganic. Okay, looks like we're ready to go. First step is I love adding the pad thai sauce as the foundation. Our super flavorful kelp noodles. Carrots. Cucumber, bell pepper, sprouts, super cute. And of course, our delectable avocado. Typically, I'm so hungry, I just kind of eat it like a burrito, but for today's episode, we're actually going to make it into a wrap. Coconut aminos. let's drizzle a little bit more pad thai sauce. And there you go, we have our wrap. Oh, so yummy. Raw food goodness. And now add a bit more avocado for extra filling. Be sure to follow me on Instagram, Twitter, or Facebook. My Instagram is a bit more lively, but yeah, I'm on there. Let me know how you like the recipe, and if you have a favorite collar wrap you like, feel free to list that as well.